Good morning, students. The previous video I have explained you half part of the lesson number 14, lesson for all. And this we have seen that some human characters are there. In the beginning I told that some animal characters are also there, but half lesson we just saw that human characters, how they are facing so many problems because of the plastic bags, cartons, tins, cans, broken glass, and so much of garbage is there on the street. That these two girls, Nidhi and Madhu, these girls are also facing problem. One of them has injured the leg. Some people's, for example, Mr. Desai did not get his newspaper. Okay, and Mrs. Patel also told that she has not got milk. So Mr. Patel is waiting for his cup of tea. While Dr. Sawant was taking care of the wound, she was dressing the wound till the time this milkman, newspaper boy, this people came. Even the bus driver also came, and they informed that how much difficulties they are facing. Milkman's tire was punctured. That's why he had to walk for a long distance. And this newspaper boy, he is limping because he has sprained his leg, his foot. That's why he was late. This bus driver also, that because of this all the rubbish things, whatever is littered on the street seems to be an obstacle race. It seems to be a ground of obstacle race. So this person, Mr. Desai, he went and fetch means he went and called Mr. Mayor. Then everyone told that how they are disposing their garbage near the river side or in the dumping ground. Now they are very much worried about this, that how these things have happened. Mayor told that he will not tolerate this all the things, and he is going to punish the responsible person. Now let us see what will happen next part. So now this animal enters who have been hiding: deer, rabbit, boars, squirrel, bear, etc. Each one comes out from its cover turn by turn, saying, animals say, we are responsible. We have wrought in all the litter. We have sprayed the garbage all over the town. Deer said, yes, we confess we did so. May said, what? You? How dare you? Mrs. Joshi, what right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? So while the mayor was saying that he is not going to tolerate all the things, animals came out and they confessed that they have done all the things. So Mrs. Joshi, she is asking them whether they have right to do this all the things, why they have spoiled the town. Then this bear came forward and he said, we have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. Bird says, our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can we roost or build nest? Squirrel says, and where can we live? Rabbit says, you are worried about Madhu being injured because of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too? Deer says, yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die. So this way, this bear, birds and squirrel, rabbit, deer, they also trying to tell their problems, how they are facing problems like the human beings. Madhu and Nidhi said, oh no, how shocking, terrible. Tortoise says, all the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dumped in water. How we suffer because of the chemicals and poisons. Bear says, and so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Dr. Savan says, yes, it's unfortunately true. Peacock says, so we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it. So here this, by listening all the complaints of these animals, Madhu and Nidhi, the smaller girls who are school going girls, they are also shocked. This Dr. Sawant also said, yes, it's correct. He agreed to this. Do you know, children, that what are the waste materials from the factories? All that have chemicals in that. And when it is dispatched or it is live in the rivers, this water get polluted. It has a lot of poisons and chemicals, and because of that so many water animals are dying. Bear says, anyway, we are not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage. We have not poured chemicals and poisons onto your settlements. May says, I see. You animals and birds do have a point. You are right. Mr. Desai says, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish into the forest or rivers or lakes. Mrs. Patel says, but where can we dispose of it? May says, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. So when this bear told that what things they have written, only whatever they can return, they have written it. The chemicals and poisons still in the water, they cannot bring it to them. So Mayor also agree with this, and he confessed that yes, you are right, you are also animals and you have a point. Mr. Desai also now feeling very shame, and he said, you have opened our eyes. You have opened our eyes means made us aware of this all the things. Opened our eyes means made us aware of something surprising or shocking. So this way this mayor is agree now to arrange for this all the garbage to recycle and some for processing. Now Mrs. Joshi said, good idea, let's do it that. Mayor says, let us save our Mother Earth from further harm. And then he said to animals, thank you dear animals for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. Some animals, they said, thank you Mr. Mayor, thank you. And they written. Mayor says, self-help is the best help. Let's clear this up. All including the mayor start picking up the litter. See children, whenever we are going for picnic also, whatever we are carrying, that it must be having a plastic carry bag, right? So whatever this garbages you are having, you are just throwing there, and you don't remember that it is just spoiling that place. Whenever you go next time, you are making it dirty, right? So what we have to do whenever you visit some of the places like this, should carry that all the garbage, that packets, that wrappers you should carry with you, or you have to dispose in a dustbin. See that on this kind of places you will find some of the dustbins. If it is there, you can throw that in the dustbin. Otherwise you should carry it with you. Wherever you find dustbin, you have to throw it in the dustbin only, and it should be properly, because some of the part can be recycled, some of the part cannot be recycled, but it should go on the proper place. I hope you understand this much lesson, and you will be keeping your city clean, making it nice, tidy, and stop polluting all the things. If you like the video, please click on like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.